you ready for some more practice? Great! Let's get started. Grab a pencil and paper so we can get started. Can you write these down and solve them? 0 plus 4, 5 plus 3, 1 plus 0, 8 plus 1, and 7 minus 1. Pause the video until you're ready. Are you ready? Are we gonna take a look? 0 plus 4 is 4. 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 plus 0 is 1. 8 plus 1 is 9. 7 minus 1 is 6. Great job! Let's do 5 more. Will you write these down too? Let's take a look. 3 plus 3. 1 plus 5. 2 minus 0. 8 minus 1. And 0 plus 1. Pause the video again and solve them all. Are you ready? 3 plus 3 is 6. 1 plus 5 is 6. 2 minus 0 is 2. 8 minus 1 is 7. And 0 plus 1 is 1. You did a great job. And remember, the more you practice, the easier it will get. Are you coming tomorrow also? Yeah? Perfect. See you then. Mwah.